What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here. We just got a whole bunch of packages in the mail. Take a look. Boom, we got 3 big boxes. I got all this stuff in here from GameStop. They were having a flash sale, 1 day only. I took advantage of it, guys. I spent, oh my gosh, probably close to $3,000, $4,000 or something like that. So you guys are about to see what we got in here. Let's take a look together. There we go. There's the GameStop box. This one came from Grapevine, Texas. Got lots of packing material. I love seeing that. Oh, baby. Okay. We'll just stick packing material over here on the counter for now. And here we go. We got a whole bunch of controllers. Now, these controllers, guys, normally sell for, I believe they're $60 or $55, something like that. I was paying $29.78. And my first order, this order right here, was $1,020. So, not bad for a whole bunch of controllers here. I'll pull them all out, but we got a whole bunch of different kinds. Some are more rare and valuable than others. We got some gold, some, whoa, this is weird. This one's gold with a red back. That's odd. It says it's just gold, so that's not good. That means this one got repaired or replaced. We'll look into that. We got a camouflage one, another gold, clear, blue, another blue. All right. Let's open up the next box and see what's in here, and then we will lay everything out. Again, I don't remember the exact amount I paid for all of this stuff, but it is a pretty good deal. I paid just under, like I said, 30 bucks a piece, and some controllers are very jacked up in price on Amazon right now, selling for $60, $70 each, especially some of these more obscure, rare colors. So let's see what we got in here. More packing material. Gotta love it. What's this? Pre-order and get up to $10 reward cash for Cyberpunk. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Oh, here? Oh, nice. Okay. These are Xbox One controllers. Again, I paid that $29.78 to see if we could pull out. Haha, there we go. This is a smaller order for some reason. This one is $446. Oh, you can see my quantities. I purchased a whole bunch of different ones right here. Some came out to $29.49, weirdly. But not bad, $446. Put that receipt right there. Alright, so this is cool. The first one that we pulled out is an Xbox One Day 1 edition from 2013. Don't know if this has any extra value. It might, probably not though. I'll just stick it in there. Let's see what else we got. Here, this is weird. This is supposed to just be a white controller, and this is another custom controller right here. Has like splattered paint right there, purple buttons. This is actually really cool looking. I don't know, I can't sell those on the white Amazon listing, so we'll have to see what to do with that. Maybe I could put them on eBay. I'm not sure. Here's just a plain black one. Another plain black one. A couple more plain black ones. Lots of plain black ones. There's a white one. This is how the white one's supposed to look. All white. The colored buttons right there. Oh, this is a cool one. This is the camo. I actually sold one of these for like $80 not long ago. I don't know if they're still going for that, but I hope so. Here's a green camo. Very cool. Okay. So what's in this box? Probably more of the same. Let's see if we can dig in here. I don't have here. Give me 1 second. I got scissors. Okay, so we're just gonna try and do this with one hand here. All right. All right. More packing. More controllers. I told you guys I bought a lot of controllers. So let's peel this tape back. And this one came from Grapevine, Texas as well. Okay. PlayStation controllers in this one. There's a cool blue camo. We got a red right there. I bought a lot. I kind of wish I purchased more. There's silver. I've never seen a silver one. I wish I purchased more, but I got busy doing some stuff. I don't think this is everything. I'm pretty sure, yeah, I still definitely have more boxes coming, because if that's my only Xbox box, I think I ordered twice as many. So I should still be getting more coming in the mail. GameStop's really weird with how they do this. So I had 2 orders come in right here. This is a blue controller and a PlayStation controller, and they both came separately in their own just bubble mailers to my house. They came a few days ago, and I was waiting for all of this. And finally it came here so I could get this all shipped off to Amazon. But I'm going to pull everything out, lay it down. I'll just lay it down in my kitchen floor and you guys can see everything I grabbed. Alright guys, so here is everything laid out, and I don't believe this is I know I ordered more Xbox controllers, and I believe I ordered more PlayStation controllers for sure, because I only have one black one. I think I ordered a good 12 or so of those. So we're going to have more big boxes coming, but I figured I'd just film this for now for you guys, so you kind of get an idea of how GameStop does this. I see a few errors in here, and I'll explain it. Maybe you guys can pick them out right now just by looking at it. Right there, look at this. This gold controller has a red back. This gold controller has a black back. So that means they were taken apart and kind of replaced, because maybe the back was broken on one. So I mean, they work just as good as any other controller, and they're just like customized sort of. So maybe I can still sell them. Can't sell them on Amazon, on the Amazon listing, so that's a shame. These red controllers right here, this one has a black back, so that's customized. All these have red backs. And let's see, I know there was another, yeah, you see these blue controllers right here? Black, 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 blue, so that's wrong. What else do we have here? Believe that was it, but up here, when it comes to those Xbox controllers, this Xbox controller, custom, but I actually think this will help the value. It's really, really, really cool looking. Take a look at that. It's clean, it's nice, it's unique. It's got a cool, just really cool look to it. So, alright, so this one looks good, this one's all set, but when you open up the battery compartment, you could see that there is a little hole drilled in, kind of, to get to a screw down there. So somebody had opened up this controller, either to clean it, to replace something on the inside. So this one's like refurbished. Let's see if any of the others are like that. Yeah, this one as well. See that little drill hole in there. But that's not that big of a deal. That just means that somebody got in there and cleaned it, so the controller should be working better. But it's kind of funny that that one doesn't have it. Maybe that's just like a weird special edition one that I don't know. I've never seen one like this, so we'll look into that. But this is everything I picked up, about $29 to $30 a pop on these. Some of them can't go on Amazon because they have been replaced, but all the others can. We'll see how much it's going to be worth. I'm going to start inputting these into Inventory Lab on Amazon right now, so you guys will see exactly how much money I'm going to be making on these. Alright, so I've been sitting here at my computer and I've been inputting everything into Inventory Lab. You can see all the controllers here, my average cost per unit, and all of that good stuff. So we had 16 different controllers, 55 total items. Now I X-nayed the ones with the replaced backs, so those are not included right now. I'll figure out what to do with those on a different date. Average sales rank 2,500, which is very, very good. My sales value is going to be almost $3,800. My buy cost is about $1,650, and my profit is $1,266. So I almost doubled up my money and still have more coming. They're going to be pretty quick sellers, so I pretty much turned my $1,650 into $3,796, and I'm going to profit just over $1,200. Okay, I like that, and I still have about another $1,000 to $2,000 worth of controllers coming my way, so I will do a whole nother shipment very soon in the future. So now I'm debating, how am I going to package and ship all of these into Amazon? So I don't have to ship them all individually, which is nice. They all are going to go in the same box. How GameStop shipped them to me was just in these boxes with a plastic bag over them, and they all arrived perfectly fine. So they're durable. They should do fine. I'm going to ship them back off in a box, but I'll put them in a clear poly bag, clear poly mailer that I have. I think these will fit in a DVD poly mailer. Well, let's test it real quick. There is one controller that's in rough shape. This one right here. There's some scratches on the body. Let's see if you could see it. There we go. Now you guys can see it. It's pretty scratched up. I'm gonna have to actually list this one in acceptable condition, so I have to change the quantity. So I will do that, and let's see if this will fit in a DVD poly mailer. So there we have it. It's in a DVD poly mailer. It fits perfectly fine, but I don't like hearing that. Normally I would bubble wrap all of these, but they did arrive to me perfectly fine. I mean, these things are pretty durable. Somebody would have to drop it and step on it, and if that was going to happen with a layer or two of bubble wrap, it would probably break anyways. I might still do it for some of them. I'm not sure. This is the only amount of bubbles and stuff I have left. I have to get more, but I think I'm just going to do it this way, and I think it'll be fine. I've shipped things like this before into Amazon, and I usually don't have an issue. Now the question is, do I even have enough of these? 55, it does not look like I'll have enough, so I'll do some like this and some another way, but that's how I'm going to do it. So yeah, guys, I should profit a little over $1,200 just with this GameStop purchase. It's a different way of making money. I'm always looking for other ways to make money. It's going to be pretty easy and pretty quick as well. This stuff should start selling by next week if I ship it off now. It'll take a few days to get there. It's Tuesday. It might actually start selling by this week, depending on how fast it gets to Amazon's warehouse. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.